Okay, I heated up my water for 30 seconds. I have a level teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it in and start my stopwatch. I don't know if you notice, if you can see the condensation on the side. What does that come from, I wonder? Oh, wow, that was definitely faster. 15 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and record that data for my first trial of salt and water. I'll go ahead and do my other two trials, do my sketch, and come up with my average, and I'll meet you back here for the first trial of sugar. Okay, I have my teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to get my timer ready, and I will drop it and stir. Same warm water. It was room temperature water. Microwave for 30 seconds. Gotta see. Oh, it's dissolved. Yep, dissolved. 13, I'm going to round that up to 14 seconds. Interesting, this round, yesterday the salt dissolved faster. Here the sugar dissolved a little faster. They both did dissolve. Okay, so I'm going to do my other two trials, my sketch, and then I will come up with my average. Okay, scientists, our last round of trials. I'm going to get some good dirt with no little shells and pieces of wood in it. Make sure it's even, just like it was with the sand and sugar. Alrighty, 100 milliliters of water, microwaved for 30 seconds. Let's get our timer ready and go. So, yesterday when we did the dirt or sand in room temperature water, it did not dissolve. I'm wondering if it will dissolve this time. While I'm stirring this and timing it, let's look at our results so far. So our salt did dissolve at an average of 15 seconds, within an average of 15 seconds. Sugar was 14 seconds, so they were really close. I did observe that the water with the salt was still a little foggy, but you know what? It wasn't quite as foggy as with the room temperature water. I'm not quite sure why. I am wondering about that. The sugar that dissolved in the hot water was clear, just like it was yesterday. So we are at 1 minute. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Is it dissolving? I'm not thinking it will dissolve, but I do not want to assume anything. I will keep stirring for the, let's see, almost 2.5 more minutes left. I'm going to go ahead and stop and see you back here in just a minute while I continue to stir. Okay, we are getting close to the 4-minute mark, and I'm going to keep stirring, but bring it up closer for you to see. It hasn't dissolved yet, just like yesterday with the room temperature water. So we are getting close to 4 minutes. Give it 6 more seconds and stop. So let's do a quick observation. See that condensation on the side. Okay, I'm seeing what I saw yesterday. Did not dissolve. I'm going to do my last two trials, sketch, find my average, and then I'll meet you back here.